Hey loves! If you'd like to see how I got these really cute and bouncy pin curls on my frontal sew-in, then keep on watching.
That's why I stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy, I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy.
So this is my hair before my mom puts the curls in. My mom just installed this sew-in. I do have a frontal in the front, and then she sewed the tracks in the back. So this is what my hair looks like. I will leave the video in the description box if y'all want to check that out. So to start the curl, she's just going to part my hair into small sections, and then she's going to take her Marcel irons and just curl my hair. And as it's curling, she's just going to let the curls fall and then pin them in place.
Drop slow, run through the city with a sweet tooth. I made a left on Sterling, about to see you. Trying to see where this road lead to, so it's only right we playing Nipsey Hustle. Your smile, sunny California, yeah. Lately I've been balancing the highs and the lows. Ask me where it goes, only Lord knows. That's why I stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy, I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy, cocoa, mango, cherry, dreaming real life, I might stay awake. Just don't be sleeping on me, sleep on me. That's why I stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy, I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy, cocoa, mango, cherry, dream it real life, I might stay awake. Just don't be sleeping on me, sleeping on me. All I ever wanted was a brown skin girlfriend, real class, gotta keep a happy rats tea in the gym bag. It's not even out yet, wait, how she even get that? Yeah, that's what your friends say, that is be from naysay. I might take lil' mama to Bahama for the vacay. Stack the guala every time a celebration. Do you never doubt it, always thought that I'd taste it. Holla, hallelujah, thank you Jesus, we gon' make it. Drop, slow, run through the city with a sweet tooth. I made a left on Sterling, about to see you. Tryna see where this road lead to, so it's only right we playing Nipsey Hustle. Your smile, sunny California, yeah. Lately I've been balancing the highs and the lows. Ask me where it goes, only Lord knows. That's why I stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy, I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy, cocoa, mango, cherry, dream it real life, I might stay awake. Just don't be sleeping on me, sleep on me. That's why I stay prayed up daily, drive me crazy, I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy, cocoa, mango, cherry, dream it real life, I might stay awake. Just don't be sleeping on me, sleeping on me. All I ever wanted was a brown skin girlfriend, real class, gotta keep a happy rats tea in the gym bag. It's not even out yet, wait, how she even get that? Yeah, that's what your friends say, that is be from naysay. I might take lil' mama to Bahama for the vacay. Stack the guala every time a celebration. Do you never doubt it, always thought that I'd taste it. Holla, hallelujah, thank you Jesus, we gon' make it. Drop, slow, run through the city with a sweet tooth. I made a left on Sterling, about to see you. Tryna see where this road lead too, so it's only right we playing Nipsey Hustle. Your smile, sunny California, yeah. Lately I've been balancing the highs and the lows. Ask me where it goes, only Lord knows. That's why I stay prayed up daily. Drive me crazy, I can't stay away. Sweet like candy, cocoa, mango, cherry. Dreaming real life, I might stay awake. Just don't be sleeping on me, sleep on me. That's why I stay prayed up daily.
So as she goes, she also takes her shears and just cuts any flyaways so that my hair looks nice and neat, and to just tame those flyaways that might be in place. So after she has pin curled my entire head, this is what it is looking like. So she literally just curled and pinned each curl, and I honestly let these pin curls sit for days. But depending on if you have an event, you can let them sit overnight or however long you'd like. And once I take the pin curls out, this is the final look. Pin curls, I would say, are definitely my favorite and my go-to. I just love the fullness and bounciness that these curls give me. It's just everything. So I hope you all like this video. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl down below, and comment what you think of my new do. I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces, beauties.
Where it goes, only Lord knows. That's why I stay prayed up daily. Drive me crazy, I can't stay away.